Give him a kiss. Mwah! Yeah. Are you two having a conversation? Come. Don't bite. Come. Coco, come. Be nice. Be nice. Come. Come. Don't want to come? I'm going to put you up here. Come. I'm putting you up there. Come. Come. I won't put you. Coco, stop biting. Come. I'm going to put you here. Come. Hey. See, guys, when they bite, just do this. Just move your hand away. Gently. Come. Come. Good boy. Okay, come. I'll put him back up on my shoulder. He's had enough. Now he wants to come too. Do you want to come on this shoulder? You want one? Do you want one shoulder each? I think. Give you a treat. You want one? Do you want to be on this shoulder? Don't I give you enough? Don't I give you enough time? I feel like I give you more than enough. Give you a treat? No. No more treats. I just gave... No more treats, Milo. Come on. Stop being so dramatic. Drama king? No. How long can you keep saying that? You'll break the world record for how long you can keep saying give you a treat. Like, you literally take the world record for how many times someone can say give me a treat. You take the record. I'm not kidding. Tubbers? You're looking a little tubby bubby? Looking a little tubby bubby? Yeah, you're looking like a little tubberoo. Come on, say bye. Okay, say good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Milo. Good morning. Good morning. Coco. Good morning, Coco. Yeah, but I'm saying good morning. Can you stand straight? But feet doesn't look very comfortable. Where are you going? You just took a shower, didn't you? You just took a shower and your wings are all wetsies. They're all wetsies still. You gotta dry off. Oopsie.